Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian, and on today's video I'm going to show you how I plan my trades using the TradingView on my laptop. Okay, so let's dive into it right now. Let me share my screen right now. Okay, so this is my TradingView. This is my TradingView right now. This is a trade on SAUUSD gold. So I am going to show you how I plan my trades using my TradingView right now. Okay, so the net is the network, that's why it's not loading this part. So this trade, this recent trade, this one in particular, this one in particular, I picked this trade yesterday. Sorry for if you're seeing any issue here, maybe it's the network. It's red, this, oh sorry, it's the network. It's the network. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so this trade, our TP is almost crushed right now. This trade, this particular trade, I picked it yesterday. I demonstrated it and I also traded on my live account, which is currently reading about $20 profit. Oh sorry, $32 profit, not 20. Yeah, because this is good. Okay, so and the trade is what? The risk to reward is 1:2. 1:2. That's it. Okay, so let me show you how I identify this trade and how I picked this trade. So let me go to my normally I use the smart money concept to analyze this trade. Please ignore any background noise, please. Any background noise. Okay, so let me so this is it. Okay, so this trade I actually figured it out from the daily time frame, and the daily time frame has been trading. Gold has been trending since I'm trying to use this. So this is what I'm trying to say. Gold has been on an uptrend since all this while. So we already know that the market structure is what is trending. The market has been in an uptrend for some time right now. So we just have to, we already know that, okay, this market is a what trending market and it's trending up, has been trending up. So this is how I figure out the trade. So in this place, this place, how will I say it? Let me just give okay, so this is the daily time frame. This area like this place, all this place like this, the market has somehow been consolidating there. So I already know that the market is consolidating there, so I just want to mark out my break of structure, BOS, break of structure to the upside, another break of structure, right? So this is the other block causing the break of structure. This is the other block. I already picked it already. Other block causing the break of structure here. So that's where then I went to the 4-hour time frame. I just used the daily time frame to just look at the overall trend, market trend. So the overall market trend is what trend, the market has been trending. So now let's go down to the 4 hours, to the 2 hours, then mailed to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so I was able to identify the trend, right? So I was able to identify the trend using the daily. Then I went back to the 4 hours. This is a break of structure, another break of structure. Then right here, the market actually changed direction. That's a right change of character. Like there's a change of character there. Then there's a break of structure to the downside. Just do it here. A break of structure to the downside, which is like a downtrend, just a small downtrend. Then what it's tap into this zone, this other block, this one. So that's where I was able to identify the trend. And this trend I was able to identify it like a week ago. Yeah, is it a week ago? Yeah, a week ago. So when it's tap into this zone, this other block, it tap into this other block, and what it's this place, it went straight to this place, which this area, how will I say it, this zone actually make it return back this area. You understand? So when it is this place, it's fall back when it is this area. So do you understand? When it's this area, then it's come back. So this trade, this one in particular, Sorry if my system is somehow low, sorry for it. So this place in particular, I already saw the trade since last 2 weeks. Is it last week or last 2 weeks? Something like that. So let's just go to the 2 hours, 1 hour, then our daily, our entries, our entry. So the same thing, the 2 hours, see the same thing. So let's just go to our entry time frame, which is the 15 minutes. So this is our entry time frame. So that trade, this is the trade, that one, this one, this is it, which is the last week one. So this trade, I got into the trade here, but I was knocked out in this somewhere here because my stop loss was very tight. So I also learned from that part. So then the trade actually went my direction, then come back again to this zone. So this place I'm already prepared already. So that's why I was able to know that this trade is coming back here. Why? Because I'm using the smart money concept. You understand? I already know all this place is liquidity. Money is lying here. All this place is liquidity. You understand? Which some trader actually treat as support and resistance, but I already know that it's liquidity because I'm using the smart money concept to trade. So that's the way I was able to figure out this trade. Then I pick my trade here. I didn't this time around, my stop loss was not too tight. I just go for risk to reward 1:2. And here my TP is almost it. You understand? So that's the way I was able to identify this trade on gold. So let's go to other one. Let's go to other one. Let's go to GBP. Actually, for now, I just focus on 5 currency that I just trade for myself, which is gold, GBP USD, Euro USD, USJPY, and GBP Just these are the currency that I trade for now. So let's go to IC market. I used to use IC market to analyze all my trades. So this one too, this is also a trade I'm also waiting for. I'm also waiting for this trade in this zone. You can see, like key zone. I don't want to like key zone 4 hours time frame. So this is a very good trade for me. So the same way I also analyze that gold, that's where I also analyze this one. I use the top down analysis. I start my analysis from the daily time frame, which is also signifying that GBP USD is trending. You understand? So I already know that GBP USD is trending. So I'm only going to be looking for buy signal. This time around, I went down to the 15-minute time frame. I start from 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Then this time around, I went down to the 15-minute time frame to check my entry. And now this is my entry. This is where I'm waiting for entry. This other block, you understand? And this is a break of structure. You grab, this is a break of structure. So where is the other block also in the break of structure? This area, this zone, you grab. So all this place like this now is liquidity. These are liquidity, which some traders treat as support and resistance trader. But these are liquidity for me. So I'm waiting at this zone to wait for a good buy entry. And this time around, if I am going to buy this trade, I'm going to go on a long position, like long, just this way. Okay, so my stop loss will be below this other block. My stop loss, then my TP will just be here at this point of reversal. You understand? I can just go for 1:2.5, which is very, very okay for me. You understand? So I'm waiting for the trade to hit my other block. So that's it. That's it. So this is just the previous one. Previous part. Okay, so this one too, I'm also waiting for this trade. So but if you want to know the way I use this analysis smart money concept, I'm going to make, you can just comment on this video so I can just make a video and explain this strategy, this smart money concept strategy, and the way I also use the top down analysis. Sorry, let me go to this IC market. So this also is yeah, I'm also waiting for this trade. Like, okay, so this place, there are key zones. So this place, there are key zone. I can also wait for this trade here. This place, because I'm seeing a significant buy here, significant zone here, which the market can actually tap there and what from that place reverse back upward. So why am I doing this? This is a break of structure, a recent break of structure to the upside. Then after this break of structure, we have all this what consolidation, all this consolidation, and push up again. So this place now there was a change of character to the downside, a break of structure to the downside, a break of structure to the downside. So now this market is sitting right here, it's sitting right in this zone grab. So anything can happen from here, from this zone. Now anything can happen from here, anything can happen from here, from this zone. Anything can happen from here. The market What I'm even seeing here is just as if it's trying to fall. You understand? But this zone like this, I can say this zone is just liquidity. To me, the zone is liquidity. You understand? So all of this place now is what? It's just liquidity. It's trying to what? Liquidate traders that are traders that are they'll actually look at this place as what? Um as this place as what support and resistance. This place now, money is sitting in this area. So when the market just fall now, it's going to fall, like fall and come to this place back. Sorry, my system is low. Okay, so maybe I will explain the rest in the next video. So if you really understand, or if you want me to explain the smart money concept more on this strategy, I'm going to make another video explaining my trading strategy, smart money concept, and I also use the trend trading strategy to trade. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. This is it. So this is my GBP USD. Then what? I'm also having what GBP. Let me just quickly make refresh on all these ones before my system go down right now. So this one too. So this trade, I'm also waiting for it in this area, either this area or this area. You understand? But right now the market is still very up. So that's the way I trade. That is the way I trade. And the trade I picked on goods to yesterday was very good for me. It was very good. The trade went to my direction as I actually planned it. So if you want more video like this, please comment on this video, like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so my system is right down right now. So if you like this video, subscribe to this channel. I always drop more videos like this, more videos on trading, on how I pick my trade, how to analyze your trade. You understand? Your risk to reward ratio, risk management, and also on this channel I also talk about self-development. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to this channel, comment on this video, and I always drop more contents like this. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.